Hello guys, it's journalist Samuel Brand and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, kindly consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for your support. Now, radio presenter Esther Mwende Macharia has landed a new job at Radio Jambo, marking a fresh start after leaving Radio Maisha, a station owned by Standard Media Group, where she worked for 14 years. Popularly known as the Queen of the Airwaves, Mwende announced a move on social media on Saturday, unveiling her new home at Radio Africa Limited. I quote, "Jambo, Queen nimefika Radio Jambo, sema jambo," end of quote. She said in a statement, adding that her new show Mwende Macharia Night will premiere on Monday. While bidding farewell to her long-time employer, Mwende expressed gratitude to the Standard Media Group management and fans. I quote, "I hereby wish to announce my departure from Radio Maisha and Standard Group at large, effective immediately. I would like to thank the Standard Group management for the opportunity to grow my career as well as my brand for the last 14 years. Most importantly, I would like to extend my gratitude to my fans all over the country and beyond for holding down the Queen," end of quote. She said, Mwende's exit comes at a time when Standard Media Group is facing turbulent times. The company, which recently marked Radio Maisha's 14th anniversary, has been grappling with major operational and financial challenges. Meanwhile, Radio Africa Limited, the parent company of Radio Jambo, is also undergoing a restructuring process aimed at stabilizing its operations. In an internal memo, Group CEO Martin Kafafa acknowledged the efforts of employees who accepted voluntary pay cuts, assuring them that the company will strive to restore the reductions as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news updates.